This is Okefenokee Swamp, a pristine wilderness teeming with life and rich with natural beauty. On a crisp fall morning, Doreen McGunagle, an acclaimed fine art nature photographer, sets out to capture a timeless moment. Her focus today, the elegant Sandhill Cranes, whose calls echo through this tranquil landscape. Against the cool morning air, three pairs of Sandhill Cranes gather. Their tall, slender forms move with precision, their red-crowned heads and soft gray plumage creating a stunning contrast against the amber hues of the swamp. Positioned along the edge of the swamp, Doreen carefully frames her shot. With a photographer's eye and an artist's heart, she captures the delicate interplay of light and shadow, the crane's graceful movements mirrored in the still waters below. The morning light transforms the scene into a work of art. Each detail, the texture of the crane's feathers, the gentle ripples in the water comes alive, telling a story of harmony and resilience within this fragile ecosystem. As the sun rises higher, the cranes take to the skies, their powerful wings cutting through the morning mist. This is the essence of Okefenokee, a place of connection, serenity, and untamed beauty. Doreen's lens captures more than just an image, it captures the soul of this remarkable place. Through her photography, she invites us to appreciate the wonder of the natural world and inspires us to protect it for generations to come. This is the magic of Okefenokee, seen through the eyes of a fine art nature photographer. To join Doreen on more behind the lens adventures, exploring breathtaking landscapes and captivating wildlife, don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel. Stay up to date with her latest journeys into the natural world and discover the stories behind her stunning fine art photography. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of the beauty and inspiration captured through her lens. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. To see more of Doreen's fine art photography image, visit DoreenMcGunagle.com.